There are plenty of drawing programs that focus on just one area of drawing. Those programs are usually expensive and only teach you about one subject in drawing. I recognize the need for a comprehensive drawing program that teaches the true essence of understanding drawing, a program that covers all of the basics, including the processes, concepts, and materials, a program that follows a logical sequence so that concepts build upon each other. That's why I created the Secrets to Drawing video course. This course is the most comprehensive drawing course available on the internet. You get over 5 hours of high-definition video. There are 28 total modules in the course. That's over 300 minutes of instruction, all logically sequenced just like a real live course. I've used my expertise as an illustrator and an educator to put together a course that covers the elements and principles of art, the basic concepts of drawing, and an exploration into individual media and subjects so that you get a fully comprehensive exposure to the true essence of drawing. Anyone can draw. It's a skill that can be learned and developed. All you have to do is have the passion. But I understand not everyone learns from just watching videos, so I've included ebooks as well. Each ebook follows along right with the video, and it's broken down into easy to follow step-by-step processes. The entire course includes a total of 26 ebooks that combine for a total of 178 pages with 498 color illustrations. Now, I also wanted to make the course affordable, so you get all of this for just $30. That's right, just $30. Plus, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied or you don't see improvement in your drawing, just let me know and I'll return your money, no questions asked. So if you're ready to get started learning, just click on the Get Started button below and start learning how to draw today.